The battle for the inaugural 168-pound 76 2 kilograms Muhammad Ali Trophy comes to Stuttgart, Germany on October 7, when IBA champion Chris Eubank Jr. 25-10, 19 KOs meets Turkish Avni Yildirim 160, 10 KOs in a quarterfinal bout at the Hans Martin Schleierhalle. Tickets are now on sale ranging from €21 to €250 at StubHub.ce, Eventim.de and Acidicat.de. "I am looking forward to fighting in Germany," said 27-year-old Eubank Jr. "It really doesn't matter to me where I fight, as long as I get the win. That is all I care about. I have been training at Floyd Mayweather's camp in the US the last weeks, and I could not have asked for better preparations before entering the World Boxing Super Series." 26-year-old Avni Yildirim from Istanbul, Turkey, is excited about fighting in Stuttgart. "I am very happy that the fight is in Stuttgart, because for me, it is like a second Turkey, and I am looking forward to entertaining the crowd," said Yildirim. "Training is going great. I know what I have to do. I have been training really hard, and I am fully focused on this. It is a great honor for me to be a part of this tournament. If I did not have the skills to win, I would not be a part of the World Boxing Super Series, and I believe I have what it takes to win," said Yildirim. Eubank Jr., the British third seed, was represented by Chris Eubank Sr. at the draft gala in Monaco July 8, and the boxing legend chose the upcoming Turk as his son Sir Arthur Abraham's quarterfinal opponent in the World Boxing Super Series. Eubank Jr. won the WBSS slot by outpointing the German veteran at the Wembley Arena July 15. The fight against Abraham went the distance, but against Yildirim, Eubank has seen an opportunity to settle the fight earlier. "Yildirim's chin has not been tested. I will test it to the absolute limit, and if it has even the slightest bit of weakness, he will not last 6 rounds," said Eubank Jr. Tickets for the World Boxing Super Series' quarterfinal bout between Chris Eubank Jr. and Avni Yildirim in Stuttgart are on sale ranging from €21 to €250 at StubHub.de, Eventim.de and Acidicat.de. Tags photos Chris Eubank Jr. Avni Yildirim Eubank vs Yildirim.